Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will walk you through on how to fix content not accessible on Roblox mobile. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. If you try to join a game on Roblox mobile, for example this game here, you will see a padlock on the join button. When you click on it, it shows content not accessible. To access the experience, first update your content maturity settings. What you need to do is go to settings. Tap on privacy and content maturity. Tap on content maturity. Increase the maturity level to moderate. Now go back to the game you wanted to join and you will find the padlock has been removed and the game available to play now. That is it for today and thanks for watching. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel.